Hi guys, so after traveling from Singapore, we're finally here in Malaysia, Johor. So this place is called Sping. It's basically, there's an array of cafes and very nice views. So follow me and let's take some photos. So cute. Yeah, sayang juga. He likes me. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so this wraps up our photo walk at Eco Labs. I hope you guys enjoy this trip as much as I do. Although the weather has been a little bit damp today, but I believe we have some nice photos. If not, thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.